Fuko kwama kwa kuntejo be majo edmoba Asempa 4.7 mosomfu. Mo amunam underground train mu surface train. Ene tram ne nasefo nyina no mo nyina mechia mo ibidum ye anopa na se nwumra ne nyina no ye chia mo ewo Asempa mu. Ene nwumre mosomfu mu na mo nim se Abrokyire Nkommo emre en aso Abrokyire fo so ye bedwendwen. Den na dwumadi a ye bedi etiawa ekwan be so ena awofo yebefa ede akrakra anase yede betete yema ama om future adwuma ese omoye no adimu ama wo mo ne ya ne nyine nim se yebe awie school no abe doctor yebe awie school no abe lawyer yebe awie school no abe engineer anase abe manager sa four core ayi badiaka ne ya ne nim se ko school wi a yetibi beye itafe de banana se edition be awie school no ubisa se adwuma be no pe se adwuma bia there career guidance ena ye ba be di ho nkomo ye ne mpanyfo mienu ene be hia wa ha na ye papa eye opanyini David yaw tete mensa o fidie mu ha one eye Ghanaian German Center for ene ye adwuma na job centers a ye kan ho asem de bia wa Abrokyire mu no de bia ba Ghana na ye Ghanaian German Center ne eye Ministry of Employment, Labor and Relations na akabom eye sedwumadi wo number 91 Starless Road eye ministries ho enomo ye be sanya surprise visitor wo fidie mu ha eye ye nuaba obapa kachiri ado when the shade mame ofi Germany abedu ti obe passe ababe transit na ono so yahwe career guidance e kwan of fast man ba no etimi be ye musician na minu se kan ba no be ye doctor na so be ye dey midwife na se dey enena obe ye musician but still o ye musician na another profession bi wa betimi akoye aka ho ye be hwe ba bia Wendy de ma me pese o sa de kan ho o ba be kan ho ha o sa wo foundation a enti obaga na o pese obeda na di e de kire ono so e ba be kan ho se dem sika en me jimbro nya de mo amo me kan ye Facebook mo amo de mudi abegu ho nyina me jimbro nya de na ye de yan so ameji eti munum ene eba no me jimbro nya de eno ene ye de sha ase ana mo pese be ye be di bro nya ne bi o me jimbro nya de ye tie
me jimbro nya de me bro nya de you know yourself me jimbro nya de unimo ho me bro nya de
Asempa FM 94.7
me blast here dear wa ma me she this year dear show bidi me blast here dear wa ma me she this year dear show bidi video bi ka na me fentia me bro nya de na me fentia video bi ka na me fentia me bro nya de na me fentia Abrokyire for no Sunday last year mo my promises one Sunday am na me to mo buy bed disturbances 5k ni so mo miemu sabi tu so na yen so fan save this year bro nya de ne by force ekura wa be jam and me pack ofa abire wana poso de me yimi bro nya de me papa ko ma me yile de so na ma yimi bro nya de be bro nya de and so be ma me bro nya de wa fa ma me force yaji when you case be animu e bro nya de many chikichake so feel like say yes sir you know yourself me bro nya de unimo ho me bro nya de you know yourself me bro nya de unimo ho me blast here dear wa ma me she this year dear show bidi last year dear wa ma me she this year dear show bidi
so what last year wa ma me hwe this year show bidi Mr. Tete ni de shedu to me jini ya so aso na when the shey ma mi be do obapa kachiri ososo fa de bra anye his excellency Jane Gasu mame ono di kachiri udi mo amaka ni nyina this year wajima de last year mo ama fa ma me nyina mo nya double bo metua ne kakra meje why aha ena me do bro nya de ne soso ebesi na so besa bom bro nya nyon baako eye nua Hammond a ono soso ewo South Africa ono soso bro nya nyon a afi odi abre o se ye fe di bro nya ni o se de
menine Fiso bamano ene ya uno Niji menine Fiso bamano ene ya uno
Asempa FM 94.7. Asempa FM 94.7. Asempa FM 94.7. Asempa FM 94.7.
Any Germany wampa, any Germany war, yet the best has say, Selim Sikai and Major Brunia, dear, ye G and ye. Mr. Tete, in Waka about Dobas and Panent 4.7.
Oh, and yeah,
a poem to say,
Yamia Domaya Kaka,
ye did Yamia say,
yeah.
Na a Jumum swear.
Oh, a Jumam said a boko, so I own him, send and Siana, a call your new center, no, a dina, yes, you a bay ministry, no, Starlets 91. My honor, I started here in Humankakra. In fact, 2 days ago, near 2 years, just since inception of center, no, in 2 years, and yeah, Shana, yeah, going forward next year, more bet me and more boy target groups, no, yeah, and where you manner, yeah,
right. A Ghanaian German Center for El Penny back on a year. Ra Tete David Yao Mensa and I'm know what them has say. All office all be a friend Mr. T. To Mr. T and you know a wolf video has a ye din komo. Na say Msika ye no bibia so edda kwem. Omodomo ya ne say bomodia say what we school na say abia je omoye maya ne say we school and na say opa adwuma ya ba modia na ye dey bra oma asuye ne omo medi nkomo na ne omo ma ne say adwuma na peso ye ne guidance no na ode be ma obu ho a we school nim say CV ba modia obechro say CV adwuma na wo koye kra no basic knowledge bi ani ho no mo omo do be call entity mu omo be call workshops ne ye ansa na ebia wodu bebre na akọ ho no ma omo akọchiro mu din ba omo de ne say omo fu say ka wo chiro din na omo de adwuma na ma da bi omo do be fa entity mu ansa na wo hu ba bia say wo de ofofon ekobo bebre so na tu kwan abafie na omo koye so no anye yi oba fie so na abusuan person beje no e na wakan sise mu wai safafranto from abona no nam ha na adwendwen e na abeto no so ahwe ye kura no de no akokoshe adwuma bia eni kwaso de ho shem wa bafie a wo sa e hawo no no botima ko mo center na ono mo akodi nkomo e mo am betim de aboa wo no omo de be ma wo obu ho no ma na bia ye mesin na de tu kwan no waba e kwa mbe be fa so ama e bia wanya e bia construction work bi na wo de abo bra and say omo do be quantity no ma tools now they are ball bra na omo de ne say so omo tete wo ne ya nya de omo de sika ebe ma omo meska de omo ye ne say omo do be ko tete na mo wi aka de adbe ye adwuma no de omo be pebia ma na wo de ahye adwuma de na say carpenter ni a wo you play na ne wo chisel ne we you know de omo be pebia ma na wo de akwa ye carpentry work no na bia ne say kakran kakra bibia wo ho no mo obi o so wa kwento pese obafie ono so ne sem edi ticket ndo benya ne mo be ye den ne nyina no so no oko omo asweye wo Germany titru de oko omo wo centers ho a oko don register wa omo do be quantity mo Germany ho ansa na wo ba omo officer say no much ro be bi obo do be kwakobo de to so bi so vocational skills American obu ho no ma school na ni tinje awofo no so hu sakura no ne de ne nsa no adwuma ne ofoso na so osua de ne teacher bu no aso na de ne se obebobọ ana se obeye mason ana se obeye carpenter ana se obeye mechanical engineer bi but ni na ne se wonnam fi onya hwe fa ne class ye ho no mo bi ko titiem no mape baby e de akose ye job first eso ye nkran ye kun ase ye se takrade for de be baso na esie
yes
eti no hwe papa ye du be sia na opeso hu ma so ye na number 91 Starless Road nkran ha ye behind Ministry of Employment, Labor and Relations there. Until Bomodian e kohonomo, o fantastic from circle now do last stop honoma, opposite of former clinic now honor. And now no education for gate na men ragate no mo e dan is left no so na dan fefe bi she honomo na mo meka che container na dey see sa German form you smart o meka say blocks but a container no ma she ni sa no e fine pa me anu bi na me o mi group na me dey ayi but mo dey na from 0556 758518 and 0556 758516 yene papa ni nkomo kakra papa ye ma kwa abado ba Asempa 4.7
yo akwanta that's
Miss Makabi na mo bibiri also so am Jeffrey ho no mo
nate
also center no the 2 years
yes center as say did 2 years
2 years money ya yeso ya adwuma 1 year
pacha
maso ya sene Abrokyire Nkommo Asempa 4.7 maso ya sene first 6 months second 6 months ne so na ewo mu
yeah
ya bod the rule na mamoa the bono etisay
oh the reborn the make some why ya dear my pa because each time I'm over your bear presentation wa no the following 2 weeks nipadom ebaho yeah in your phone calls ebiso eba center ho and advices advice wo mo counseling extra mo nyombeye ebikra e wo ma we even invite them to attend some of your career guidance sessions, which almost twice in a month, and then your job fair be there. We increase the rate at which job career guidance sessions, right. Because you say it's an important part of nipano ne career goals or set. Sometimes a be person entrepreneur or person teacher, but maybe you are not cut for it. Because it's just not for you.
Right.
So we consultants are say okay, if you are cut for it, this and this is what you can do. If you are not, it doesn't mean be anywhere to me. There are other things you can do. Yeah, intina. Yeah, so they say we'll try and make sure say youth no. More counsel more opportunities. More who say they can still make it here in Ghana.
But me you call the statistics. But mama me numbers. Say be 2 years ni percent it ma famonsem.
Right. 2 years here started by age me. At least we've had close to 1,200 people on Manantiaba Center no.
One-on-one.
One-on-one.
Okay.
And on phone, we've counseled almost 12,000. We've counseled them on phone.
Right.
It be counselors no more free. Busa obi on phone on you take your data.
Right.
And one more free Germany aba to me pay a juma momo together with your bilateral partners about 300.
Right.
Yeah. And then with about one more fan say you to me aye trainings amamo and direct you for skills training na we have about now 7,200 because your civil society organizations I know into uba infant so be banners or say me the skills training na me here me person me can moto and I'm here distribution service me the abubo ya be distributing sa and nam ama companies we try and set you up because I don't know they or say obe to me. Yeah, and there's so many things.
If I just say obi pese or ye or kambubu ya.
Yeah.
Na audio distribution.
Yeah.
Sa nipa no e kwan best number fa so aboa no.
Oh, Sanipa no ba will counsel him first of all. Ebusan said, "They no peso, dingy no peso ye." Now, we busemu na ahe how viable is it? Ahe no obenya no obetumi save bi. Now later we treat tax because one important thing and say you make sure say start this pay business via. We have someone who does the registration. You be register BBM, but training entrepreneurship training show say yes so start Jumaya see our taxes because German government don't the taxes new year in for no they so we have to replicate that we'll get that culture say tax in there and no sooner others in yeah
okay then share obia also on free Germany.
Yeah.
Now a free country for so.
Yeah.
Teach you no aya na ita do fancy no so.
Yeah.
The chairman do mabigu Libya.
Yeah.
Na ebia Ghana ni room na oba.
Yeah.
And so sandi pano M1 to say.
Oh, Sani Panon Sono, they are all part of your target group. Germany, the Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development are more funding projects for the GIZ, Gesellschaft für internationale Zusammenarbeit. My vision be say a vision of do no harm. That means ubia obeba center nibiano. We have to welcome the person and counsel him. But me teach you target groups are youth or more Ghana, the local population,
94.7.
Forced migrants, some by and then voluntary migrants are or more a year German counterpart, a German office, Din Nkommo, or more director, or more say, or more Bagana, or more office. So there were three target groups. Omunina, or more by Bebam, or Philibia Noaba. He's welcome to come to us.
South Africa.
South Africa, he can come to us.
Nigeria
can come to us.
But bedroom was any part of your number.
Say, during the counseling, you hear documents because to me confirm say yes, utu kwine ufri hat na obadure on this day and that day. Yes, a plane na de buy you, can na de buy. Normally, you should have some documentation. Yeah, and no na de bia insist this on.
But you know more far a desert issue. Normally, I don't any documentation.
Yes,
so what can they prove to your office? They say almost free Libya and buy and so me say. Well, from airport, my data be and free immigration now. Then the panel be our safa. I got that sword man and chief for one is back and I say, "Oh, your cab no train mobile." Such a person, can you identify himself or doesn't free on the buy?
Yes, they be insist. They say, "Would you be beba?" Yeah, somebody who can vouch and say yes, this is true. Right. Yeah, because BBIA biano as I make sure say we are legally covered. Say nipa no when two coin no bakacho say we two coin now be spend this busana. If it comes out, I mean a better tarnish send an image.
Okay.
We always insist. Yeah. Right. So we need documentation. You have to be able to bring somebody over to me say avouch say yes SMS to Libya we crowd share we that is what we want. Yeah, then you assign krata dia mwa
guy be deeper or no me modi na bia obi dia akwa ye the guarantee uboni dia Libya obi Nigeria for Ghana for him for odurukro yes Libya the address ni di ni address obi a wakọ Libya de bia obodi no mo ni
no
ne so ekonongu ni so by the way Mr. Tete yes ambra job fair my year 2 times boko ye ba ko kuma say
yes
ohine ede and I say no 2 for ankasa na ire ede na ho de beta akire oma amakomhene
yes
da bi oma
edum hene
da bi na edum krono to aso baby refikro oma na so betena mu bi ono so na nije wo hwe kuma se fair no ene nkran fair na wo hwe nipa dodo na say Kumasi ne han hefa ne nipa na attendance na ye pa.
Well, attendance in Accra was very great. Almost 4,000 visitors. Yeah. Now Kumasi it was almost 2,000, 1,900 and something. Right. Fan said 2,000. Okay, because Kumasi then what we did was but modern say on a very big scale to say right. Yeah. And at least one more register, quite a lot of people registered into mobile, and so you say, the need is there. Right. I say a sign. In fact, now for emissary no kase see abomodia near sign every year. Yeah, back on Kumasi. Right. Yeah, and because we are partnering with Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations. Right. Labor officers near hospitation near training be possible say the next times we will do it, but almost so you be involved labor office for also, right. So that the collaboration is perfect.
All right. So say yembra office one more per se e won kran ha say obi ba honoma esu tueska na
akonta asem we abusa de emede miss ftf miss remo your office ho de yenjisika everything is free. Yeah. Niebeyema ubia is free. Say directive for training civil society no obema training no. The training is free because yenye tuya or no civil society no say on ma training no why. Nti for mesremwa ubaye mutumi baye ho na mutumi frey na yetumi pep bibi ma council mo poa it's free. So be catch you say just fasika fa mobile money say man no pacho oboa why oboa. Right. Yenyisika.
Yenhwe bibre and also mo frey wa homa no so no.
Yes.
Because e bia nipa no wo other region.
Yes.
More offices no enyang scatter across the country no.
That's correct.
Baby more offices ni no. Anamuni agent bi wo ho no so mo ne ebia NGOs ni bia ayede SPA.
That's right.
Na agencies ni bi mra na NGOs ni bi me ho a. Say ni pakro no. So Obama kache a say ni pa no the transport. And so be dey bia no ni bi and so be ne dey.
Okay, near ne say nipa no inform we my asote say yes ye ntumi in council no ewo phone so and I said training no person okono transport about here transport costa civil society organization na NGO na yamano contract say on carry out services in microphone or no be included that contract cost no e won the contract no because because of distance no obien to me and call skills training and apprenticeship would to me anya because of transport no ya ni omaka so omunya clients are situation here sir they report to us and then ya more permission say omuma transport costs nipano so that nipano be to me about training no
na basos na say training say okay be a 2 weeks training na mobile man accommodation.
Well, internet bia momo hwehwe baby e ben wo mo. So you ask them first. Ebia minim say me wo fa biti ho na metumi a. We always ask them. So betumi atena obi nchen aba ho a ne busua ne bia fine. If not a treswa yetumi pe baby ma wo so. Right. Yeah.
Yeah, go back to Germany bi you said okay no. Ye nuanom bebre na wo Germany a ompeso mo ba fie. But ya na I say money omo kasa ye mo no. Ya no musru say bia omoba omokomo centers na kwesa say obodo omo kwa akoto say mo ame do ma ba fie some officer no omko ho a omo ne immigration for Asem kana
yeah office ho no it's nye offices per se ne wo ye wo reintegration scouts and migration scouts na scouts no omo na omo ni obedi nkomo wo phone so yeah some person be share my scouts no omo yejuma in different organizations e be a Caritas e be a Arbeiter Wohlfahrt and say Flüchtlingszentrum of Hamburg nkrofo omo ye dwuma o sa organizations are omo ye privy to deal with one more person omo returning, yeah. But enya dia omo demo, whatever they discuss with you is confidential. The only thing they do is omo the information be my yen. So we'll catch them so befia. They will further the information to us. No me busan say Kofi Mensah so person befi na person ko Western Region Takrade oba ho a opese oka taxi and also opese o starting on one cold store. Dey na betumi ayaman. Na yeso ya catch ya ma reply say okay Takrade no opese ye cold store I say you oma ye hu baby opese oye no Takrade hefa na ya se container no opese oyo se a dine opese ko hayo so kan nyina kire na ye crofo wo ha no with that information no ye be boaboa ye ho se na sibe ya scout no wo Germany no obetumi ama no information say na obe expected na nyina e be take x number of weeks and some number to me ayewe inti ano so that nipa no oba no onim say okay me ba for this part of the period of time no e be check akran some number to me ayema we am but ombe to me aye just so that is possible nyama no kan so person oba abaye no possible and na say nyam possible nyama na information
anje bia so kan say almost about 300 and my page mo ha ma wo no
yeah
obese voluntary no money nipa do say na omo so no something like they have their documentation already but they want to return and then come voluntary to work.
That's
here. Right. Yeah, can't specifically omo voluntary omo ado omo akose abrabo na yedin madabo ntia che menye adwuma anye makoshe obe 5 years udu oni fem a monye bi at least monye bi wo kra ha no mo a mutuma setting up me tuma kwa kwahwe
I could tell you mean chawan. I mean at least one of them it me ba me trim outright ne Derek Adamson, yeah. Right. He's one of them, yeah. And apart from him so Fider Boy, yeah. Or no buy or say obey a friend saying to say Nancy was starting juice, orange juice, different juices into no functions are yes say no your friend near busano say fider ubetumi abeki we aye spring rolls aye pie aye we obeki amano oven a obeki or yes anyamenya inti ye man contract no aye mai near tuaneka you know
ochese mo amaboa no na ma setting up no
that's it
adwuma no so be mo sare na ekono so sa contract mo tuaneka nyese mo na moboa ni to me ni free
Debbie no
me as a ebia is amazing job
that's right
na me bana mo set me up na fe mitimi sidan na mo contract bia me bi sidan na mo nka se bia mo na mo bo amenti no me de me contract in ba beto
Debbie
na mo tua meka
ye betua woka because once you tender now also all the documents but now we in Kwadia we will pay you we will treat you as a normal citizen
then so be Ghana for be na ye adwuma wo Germany
that's right
bu horma otime je adwuma bia na onya accumulation ya ba onya be 1 year holidays send the panaka say oba Ghana abedi be 6 months nemo oye doctor opeso call ebia Jakubu ebia rural area hono baby ko ye adwuma send the panaka maboa no
akonta yebetuma bo sani
pa on the bibia but oba be voluntary work
Yes, and the other part was a program under the center. Right. Program Migration for Development and a program Migration and Diaspora. Right. Program Migration and Diaspora no a cater for Sankrofono. In fact, so opeso be beboa with your expertise beboa okrum ha. We will support you. For instance, you supported doctors be omo ebi bakoba Reach Hospital obeboa will provide you with will give you an allowance will provide you with inputs our full set ube here a bit to be the adwuma for the 6 months so per se bia oba to send ya okan oba be lending your expertise you be arrange and make sure say we benye baby a obetumi aba here we give you an allowance to pay accommodation and motivate you, support you to be able to, lend a hand because you say, but wo expertise na ye hia wo ha no wo pese wo ba na wo be share na wo sanko eno nso no ye boa pa we do it yes yeah
nti nuanom mu ho bebre na be teachers be doctors be so many other
yes
some person mo ba fie be boa san nipa na no so mo budget ho a mo dimi de boa wo mo na mo ma emeboa.
Well, it's information. It's information. A man Crawford who say this is what this program is doing, and we try and say Crawford pass on the information. But sometimes Crawford is skeptic. Yeah, motivation name say, I didn't know more. Yes, then wait there. Bibi. No. You see, the thing is, Ghana has been a very, very, very good partner of Germany for the past 60 years. I mean, Frankansa. They try and support us to make us, come out. Because Oman who say, at least the country Ghana, dear, in the first place, there's a peaceful country, yeah, and it's easy to try and bring structures to help support the structures to work. Yeah, we're teething problems, yeah, as a developing country, but then with a little support, we can get over the barriers and then move on.
Right. Yembra guidance ni mami.
Career guidance sessions. Yeah.
Ye money na ye pese o moko school.
Yeah.
Na ye de ani ato so we school be ye bi say.
Yeah.
You nim say man bi betima be ye musicians.
Yeah.
Ye man bi betima ba be ye footballers.
Yeah.
Ye man bi betima ba be ye so many skills bia e betima abo the future. But wa go school ntino officers outside no. But Abrokyire Germany UK near go school ho no mo a omo to be say crowd or you good or you talented in football.
Right.
It's in on the classes and then his friend is and skills on the pitch near balance no. Dear now mo be catch nuanom ene ye maame nom ye wofanom say ye mana eba sese the kwambes ne befa especially the teachers ne headmasters no
me de bia nia me can say initial exposure to school it's open up your mind. Yeah. As you move along the ladder ubehun say ebia this is what is good for me and I may feel some interest for her. Me kai say me nkoda brem me kai say me pilot. Edru ho na me ko interview no papa ampene. Some person in baby abekwa koyesa. Right, but that was what I was interested in. Okay. But then just say I had to look for something else. Yeah, I had to do something else. Go school ni wia. Now na baby our interest wa no akoye no.
Then no eboye. So go school ni wia and say na wakase baby a be into. Why don't we add it time at your school from what we call it? Middle schools no more banana say no cry fan say JSS then we attach the thing so acronym real school no say this is my profession.
I want to main John say you need the basic education. You need to have basic every when after you have the basic then that's when you start thinking of what options you have.
All right.
In the other systems, let me talk about Germany system. Who we first partner, then now you're moving. It's either you go to the university, but and if you're not your grades end you don't it doesn't mean say win to me. You can branch off and do to technical vocational training and then end up to wherever you want to go. And that lets you know about the world. Dual system school now we juma. So it gives you an idea of the real world you're going into, and then plus training for and that prepares you very well. I hope that we'll be able to introduce our dual system into your curriculum.
Right, Mr. T.
Yes.
Ya boa for krato da ye ba ya to aso ama say ye ma me so nam kwam say the me kwa homa no so na okay menji aboa for krato na me ba ne akwa homa no so ne ye papa ye some so akasa all the way wow.
na yakwa
ekoton ye de ekoto please mother please 6 months ni omba bosa ni pe wuo no edoso se no mo munyankwa nso amanti ne adware kora me dware bida onyina aporo na me gina
Ethiopia enkopem da ben na Ghana de shebe hwe wonkwa e wo Libya konto ewie me nua no makọ Libya atitimu mpanyin se achie ne muye ese abebo nyina de me wasem de bi mom adwumaku bia ba ye fro wo Ghana German Center for Jobs Advisory Center wona adwumati tu pa ba ko ne se ye nua no mo omko Libya asan be fie ene won po a e wo ene da so be ko Libya no obetwe wa adwen abesusu se epuo ne baby andwe ane se okọ on center hono mo a mpanyinfo yi be fa entity mu ama wonya nsano adwuma ayo a be ye odefo awo wan kasa wo man enuma bi ti se agriculture, mechanic, catering, carpentry, and some of you bia when you home. And when you forget it, I'm why on the floor. Maybe you're gonna need your woman. Did you? Anyone at our German? When you say Kuntunian in Chiana Quintino. Ni here is our fresh sentence. A photo send me a womobiano. How much of them? What for consumer befie? Nanso, any man said Uncle Yema. Nina is our do a new sentence. Wow, Ghana German Center for Jobs, Racial Advisory Center.
Starlet 91 Road. I bear Ministry of Employment and Labor. Ewo Enkrai. Ubetumi so afre wonwo 0556 758 518 and 0556 758 516.
Hey, Adub TV 9 lessons and carols. I'm a broja bantam. Afi, bra, be show any so. Who favorite Kumawu stars, papa, and Abu Papa, Emilia Brobe, Dada Santo, Bigger Quest, Christiana Wuni, and many more. Many more Kaho. Afi, one bear Jesus, one bear Joseph Mami, na Mary Mammy, Kate Harold Swear, Brenda Bishop Francis Samu, Guru, Benisansa, Kwame Eugene, Kwampa Band, and a Winneba Youth Choir. Minia, mention Chen when I say cry. A Meminida, 21st December 2019. Ewo National Theatre. 20 cities. Ye shows me a numwa. First show near 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Second show near 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Bra, the bronya bantamama. Adum TV 9 lessons and carols. Bronya bantam. Jumedie, Apwafa Omoboye Chidom, any Oba Spaghetti, Franco Trading Enterprise, SBT Global Car Exporter, Solartech Electronics, Nkulenu Palm Soup Base, Big Maron Pharmacy, Timo Baby Diapers, VIP Eau de Perfume, Mansoir Herbal, MJ Seafoods, Kemosi Bitters, Perfect Hunampa Body Lotion, Pure City International School, Esikafo Herbal, Piccadilly Biscuits Limited.
Tali wa be ya Libya na yakwa
ekoton ye de ekoto please mother please 6 months ni omba bosa ni pe wuo no edoso se no mo munyankwa nso amanti ne adware kora me dware bida onyina aporo na me gina
Ethiopia enkopem da ben na Ghana de shebe hwe wonkwa e wo Libya konto ewie me nua no makọ Libya atitimu mpanyin se achie ne muye ese abebo nyina de me wasem de bi mom adwumaku bia ba ye fro wo Ghana German Center for Jobs Advisory Center wona adwumati tu pa ba ko ne se ye nua no omko Libya asan be fie ene won po a e wo ene da so be ko Libya no obetwe wa adwen abesusu se epuo ne baby andwe ane se okọ on center hono mo a mpanyinfo yi be fa entity mu ama wonya nsano adwuma ayo a be ye odefo awo wan kasa wo man enuma bi ti se agriculture, mechanic, catering, carpentry, and some of you bia when you home. And when you forget it, I'm why on the floor. Maybe you're gonna need your woman. Did you? Anyone at our German? When you say Kuntunian in Chiana Quintino. Ni here is our fresh sentence. A photo send me a womobiano. How much of them? What for consumer befie? Nanso, anyone said Uncle Yema. Nina is our do a new sentence. Wow, Ghana German Center for Jobs, Racial Advisory Center.
Starlet 91 Road. I bear Ministry of Employment and Labor. Ewo Enkrai. Ubetumi so afre wonwo 0556 758 518 and 0556 758 516.
Jim Makwa about the mobile Asempa 94.7 so for Kwa Makwa. Akuntajo Abrokyire Nkommo and wasugusu awuti you know. Papa eye David Tete awo Ghanaian German Center eda edi Nkommo. Ye bekwa ahoma so na ye papa eye Sam Adofo na ono so ye ne edi Nkommo. Na omo so eye Ghana fo a omo amanoni na omo se ɔmo hu no ma ba ko mienu bi Ghana sɛ ya na mtabo sɛ Ghana ba ko pɛ adehima Ghana ba ko pɛ yen nyina ye kabom ene ya ebe ye me afie ni nto eye aban ko aso tete kwashi edi koko bai nipa bebre de no ma ba oman mu amana bo amena omienu na omo soso akọ amanone na sɛ nyame ato omo sem na sɛ omo ba fie bi hu sɛ ye nuanom bi so sɛ bi yare enti omo akadem ebi asikanti omo ntimi ko hospital ebi abebi omo wo no kra no makọ hospital so enuru a omo be yusu ne ye no to na ayasem nti omo akọ abom aye foundation na yebeti omo soso akosem na yekwa ahoma no so opanyi sam yem wakọ aba
yejo
na apom to say
nyame adom na mo so a
nyame dia che we dey awon no debre nyane until voice no succulent Georgia had a reable and no case reable. Some yami ho. Yo, Papa, yes, Emre ni Santino. Yes, foundation bay na mati ewo eye amanoni ho. Na dia ne ba ya mokoti sa foundation.
Foundation no it the Agro Foundation. Na Agro Foundation no yade to me maame a sese no wedding fie oha entwam na die ba ne se wo hwe nkofo a omo ye no omo si so ne ye nanfofo ne ye cousins ne ade kwan a omo fa so omo di film ne se omo film tempra enti ye hwehwe mu na senior tier na chese uhwe mu ana blood pressure ena kunkumo enti si ebetu ho na mo na ya hwe okwan a ye befa ye paso a ebetini di abo enti MC 2018 Easter ni mo no me buy that was first time wa ye ba be ye screening screening nipa beye ediokron na ohwe mu nipa no mu ediowotwe no ewo blood pressure condition eno no emeyehu se edi pressure mu ayese ye de ya ho de shem enti afi ya ye wo mu 2019 January ni mu no me sa bai ye bai no ni afi ya sakakra menamfofo no mi ade a omo support kakra yenya hospital supplies enti ya di beche TBA hospital ene quota for in Joseph's clinic nature say adwuma ni mu abai kakra ba na ye ntimi nko ye nim pesise ne ye peno enunu mu ni ye screening nipa be haluni achiri na ohwe mu a statistics no about the same nature say nipa three here mu afa but ni true ni say blood pressure condition any diabetes ni ade ni say wuni mu a edro wo ha obet media si hu kwa enti no eno ho na ye dance ye so no kakra yentimi enyiri ye sane ye pe nanso baby aye wo no say eye na mo asie enti ye guso na afi ye besan ba January no ye ne tafo akasa ye ne TBS wakasa before mo de nurses be ka ho man and we no so no de be there was supplies kakra de be ma TBF for no and you have donation but also a few we know you the diabetes screening back home and Jumadia ye no am say yeah woman no you know sabe the efie jaho and am also a moti or mona mo hwefie enti okwan bia ye betimi agina so e dia beboa no ehu hia pa yeah you are no na wo bi ni ade no ye twen ho enti mama she say abusiafo no ye no mo ye nka bom na yɛba kɔ Bukuruwa asaka pa utafo nkro ni bia na yɛbɛtumi ayɛ yɛbɛtumi agada nipa no yɛbɛkɔ akɔ screen diabetes ne blood pressure.
Meti Bukuruwa de na sɛ waba medium ɛyɛ me akasa nana abrefa ɛgya abrefa ne wo ha ɔne di hene ɛwɔ Bukuruwa hɔ na sɛ Bukuruwa de aba mu di a ɛna na ɔhene Bukuruwa do muduru hɔ de a ɛsɛ mo de me kobi na me kɔhwɛ na moto nsafrɛ ɛgya abrefa na ɔbɛtena mu bi we de yɛdi wom nti Bukuruwa fo
yɛte
dɛnɛ
bɛhyɛ mama se nsa ɔbɛhyehyɛ bibia na yɛba yɛtumi asia
right
deɛ mɛka so ne sɛ sɛ amanonefoɔ etie mu program yi metie na wo a wote baabia no ɛnyɛ sika kɛseɛ bi ɛna ɛsɛ wunya ɛde tumi kɔboa fie ebia te sɛ organizations nkurɔfoɔ yɛ normal ahodoɔ so yɛn organization foundation yɛfrɛ no Ago Foundation ukɔ www.agofoundation.org ya register no wɔ Georgia ha ayɛwɔ bibi yɛfrɛ no 501c3 enti sɛ wɔ United States na sɛ wo donate a afene so a yɛhu wɔn a donate no yɛde ho krataa bɛbrɛ IRS government no me issue out back say Germany now too say so Europe baby a war Japan Australia to share imedie bi na territory na sabe dachi bi ne yakopi a yesi usin brody a no wasun kwadi na yetini aba betwo mo no bi ati nkom kama man
do opani we de gina kakra ma na onua ba afi na traffic eja na wadru ha say na poko ase traffic minim se otimi di 2 hours yo oba package ado aka when the shame mami obato nyum ha mami ana na ya no bia soro se onjumtufo no soro mo se na me mami tonyum na papa tonyum ti usu na tonyum
me on voice pa me tonyum
eti enum toro na oba na fa bia na se ofa papa
of me
of our to so open
kakra
also prepare kakra and then the measure be okay aye catchy ye back to career guidance near Abrokyire ye may asodin any afekuba any normal bebrebe na oba no nim say oba be ye music and na say now when it does so what do so ye and who say what diverted to music ana
me da say metia watiefo nyina me hu ya say obetimi abaye nyumtani because na oko school na osan eko music school nzuka ho ndina me didi ye say obetimi abaye nyumtani
but now wadwen de kan na music na person obeye send Africa for yadwen no na person obeye dey
oh media ni abofra bia person oye ne no na me di akire but me ka kire ne say okay say opese obeye nyumtoni dia onko school na onya bibi entu nachi nti terms na me ne ko ye no oti ase ma me ko school nyane nurse eye adwuma ansa na me amitu ana mode na ba
nti na wo adwen ne say come nurse
Debbie
na wadwen ohu obey osimi bey de obey say ti wo wadwen na de ni
me de ni obey bia me support no
enne de obey bia support ye pese me papa do ka che me ni so opese me be engineer okay enna me dru ba bi hu se me bobo no be gina park so na de wo ma abre me be tin ko fufu eti so who say me kuta book na musua de na ono kra bet maje wo ma no ne me maame a wo fufu no what the me chen eti na wo bia ne ba ɔsɛ wo kusu no wi a wabɛyɛ ne de ne wo di so
meme momu de sɛ medical kan no metimi hunu sɛ me mana ma wo mu ni nyinaa no ɔmo wɔ adoma kyɛdeɛ so nkwanya me de ama wo mo eti sɛ me third born yi sei ɔbɔbɔ pa but menene san wo terms sɛ okay born na wo born me di nachi pa at the same time no me hwɛ nso sɛ obekɔ school nti onya bibi tu nachi wie a na afi wo ka sɛ born no obɛbɔ a sɛ bi ne na mu bukra na ɔwɔ n'adwuma nti saa na me de me ma no toto
Mr. Tete.
Yes, I couldn't.
Then Abeka, the area be okay.
No, yeah, me kind initially so Sana that was Sana na imagine because basic education there we here to get into something. To say no kind say ebiana bibia anko year with football and in name bua. Untumenka say, yeah, I don't have anything. Means you can't do it. No, the basic education is to help you. It's to open your mind. Into an idea. No, mommy. No.
Into yes, I'm for public social life in here. Or could rap music in me. When me come back twice. And now what fast and now what fast and now multi radios and I see. As a mother, what to say? Count back one sems and another now you.
Obi kan sɛ ne ɛyɛ dan yɛ bɛka but adwuma na no obewura mu no na minim sɛne etie ɛna sɛne sɛbi yɛ man Ghana mu so sɛne yesifa kasa ne adeɛ nti aya na afuto na ya mede ma no sɛne ɛbɛyɛ a obɛhwɛ nanim
na yɛ kwafo de na yɛntimi yi ho ewo abonten ye you say de sebi gubi pono so na wona nti de be akyekyere ye ho na Abrokyire na akoso samusa na se de kyese fe ye manu timi dan wo ho sa fe ye mo anhye
enye Abrokyire nko a wo hwɛ sɛ ne entade a wo ton de ba system no no nkwala na wo toshe enti na I think say ne niema yɛ no system no any ya mofra na ya wo no sa ene tie nti obi ntimi ukọ ayi Abrokyire mu ni Ghana hanom a utimi hu se enkwala ni nyina obi a hye crop top akola ya wo no 1 year obahwe ne na but sabi onya nufu nti yenhu ya dwene nkoso ba maamefo no ye tohye nkwala no nti akola wanyini aduru mpempenso a watwa mu 18 die sabi wuntimi ubetu ni fudie but ne wo so no eno na obeka se wo mama wo die ye bia me de ehye me kura twam
esin kratete wa Abrokyire me de minim baka no kure e matete ni me matete de na eden
ni me enu nyina eden ni me enu nyina eden ti se me hu se obi ka obi ba ho asem a me hwe ni din mpanifo si se obatie wa asem a wo so wuni mo batete so atiase ebia obi de na abeto abontene ene ye ka nanso no se ye di obi ade eba ama obi ehu a nka obehu so obi de ne oti hokro oka oba de ne ebia ne de enye enti de bia me ka se ne Ghana yesifa develop eco sebe school fees free ni sa ne ma ne ba so no ebedrum re bia Abrokyire ntete ye no ye den no Ghana hanom no ebeba because titimire mu no uya o ma me say ana o papa ti mi ntwa school fees ba Abrokyire ni sa de ni ho enti eye very big problem wo Abrokyire ma yen ni nkwala na tete no
wa maleti ya ahame Kahana Nkommo ni kono to aso
so ahuno because it is Abrokyire ni ya toto na mpro ya hye yenum na omu wi o ma sen akase yenum bon omo ka kiro se enti akwala emu akwala enye na yaka de na akwala no so koye bone so a wo maame no woni ye chiw oti ho na police fo atro ye se wo ba ko bobi onya 18 asem na meka no na wo se e ka ne de beba na mi maame no mi na wo si mitua
enti na mo ka mi maame no ya na just me man nka Abrokyire fo e ma we
I said mechanism because me a single mother.
Oh, so the
mechanism.
Yes. The carry, mume.
So what you say? enti ekoba ne sa e man tete na eden wo bu na na se wo ye ne den eye kasa na obeka kire no so ahuno enti ema Abrokyire ntete no se bi baga na ka sebe amata ya wo hanka nka bebrebe dwane ka bebrebe kwa kwala ne timi kana dwane kire wo
enti Wendy one chia baby ama won ne ntem anti Abrokyire nkura du baby ase na mo ne mo ayaka abi aba
me de me mane de obi a de omo ho adanse e say me ba kwala ne nyina no u ka o dodge usi abontene be wura fie dia eyetwi na wo se wo ka kire me eyetwi na me pepe omo nyina adwene se e wo se me do omo nyina san e ba fie nti me de tu omo tirim nti sana me ne omo ti nti sa obi ni ba wo problem ne na omo nyina ya se ye na
so we dey be confess here ibo a na me nim se me wo fase no oba be ye musician kese se be kind ya abrowe wu ya ye kwa yi bubu ahye ha ye kwa so dem na one na mo kiti bi na me di say ah so be ne ne di no do ade after me ti say a musician I couldn't believe it when say picture no
minimum ba
okay ye hwe ni say utima guide no utima kai a guide obe ma no e die na hwe yinua ma ne me ma na aka no mo Abrokyire no ye lucky ene ye ma no ntema adwuma ntra na sikase mu ntra na asa mo nya time ama adwuma no sene mo ma no tete
ano dia ye no kre no kre pa because asa ye kwa ya adwene nyina wo sika so ahuno na ye to we ye say nti no competition kakra wa Abrokyire especially ye ma no because u front ma we na camera twa wo kwa agrasi a won tan che biom nti sabi yedi nsi hunu kakra wo se entuma ne ntade no wo se wutimi nya ne mo no de asesa no so wo se adwuma dodo na wo beye
next year me ba trunks me design e be fie
enya bebre
damn it Mr. T
yes
you share ne ba as a music mo office hall no say Ghanaian child be so into music no ba mo office hall no ma and so obenya mo abi wo.
Well, it depends on say onya obi a obetumi aboana an institution a obetumi aboana. Yeah, because music you can't do it on your own. Yeah. Just say when your institution be obetumi aboa. Yeah. And to say na meka so civil society organizations any omo yejuma no. Say enye bia obetumi adinipa na course training ma. Yes, we will encourage it because the can say anything a nipa na person yen, we have to try and support the person because yem person ye be force so be say oh because you need opportunity into koye way. Yeah, no, it doesn't work out. So nipa na interest in ni ho after a short while obey jai. Yeah.
It's guidance need and say assess akra no na nipa no new say ne field ni
exactly
but entity no na enwum to pa ne any born ne no ma bi abrofo na didi mu awie na fe ne yekomu no this is enne na ne abue say ye pese bi doors no it is mo office no mo so bi doors say obi so pese football na ne nije ho a na so o institution bi mu na say mo pese mo push na and so meet my access nipa no maboa no so ba be professional footballer.
Yeah, akunta to say anti kind there's a generational change. Niema so asesa you know intino if obiba young man biba no so okay whether he is from Germany or local population Ghana so me mako school drew a school no me person me ko football na person me bo mo betumi abo amiana. We have to assess the person first of all. You who say oh DNA say young person or talent obetumi abobo. Yeah, we have to get him assessed and sana if we'll have to direct him to an institution and answer a team on a team babo so that he gets to know that yes he has the talent. That's what we have to do. Let's say assessing it first.
Right. Yeah. Assessment na na first.
Just like counseling.
Yeah, counseling, yeah. So guidance na no be ko eno ni ade ni na no. Jo, your time no obi ni mo obi kire omumre ene ya fam kakra ti ye be ko Wendy Shema me ho. Ka kire ado. My name Mr. Adofo Akasa. oba no ye normal bebre ono aso e charitable no baby a oye asa also so wagina baby asa kwofo mo so wagina baby say baby mo ma yenuan me wosoro ho so no enyen samampo mansa na makoho itire wadi kan aba so oba behwe kwan mu na normal na mo pese mo de boa wo ho no ye ankra ka ni nyina na ye etidie na abeka so sa foundation yo
medase ne mekane se Michelle yenuanom a omo Abrokyire Nkommo se edrumra wasi yetwa yani na yebehwe ye man Ghana mu because yetimi hunu se nipa bebre ebre ye de sebe ye ho atoye yetimi nya bi ma ne broso nti mesre omo se obi bia wo ope ana se uniema abroso no sebe emi se omo so omo ye ana se me ana se US for which so obi bia wo bibi no yemfa mra my Ghana mu na yemfa emebo my Ghana nti enu bi na me ni nua be ma Mr. Adofo ebi no hunhunu se hospitals ni bi wo ho a omo elaki mfidie nti me ko US na me ko di hu dwuma se sa na tie de anya bibia na ebeka se aban sa hoden wo ho de a ene why not na yamwa nti ne yedi kan ne se yebekwa kobo abitifi hospital yedi equipment no ebeko akoche no and last week unze mini Wendy ye adoye and next week nso yebesen aye yebeto aso yepese se nyankopon epeja wodi gusim pempenso obi a obekai sebe womo a omo so omo ho kire o menti eno na da yakoma so asese ne yebeye
yedenya miase yemre nti I think say what by the especially one-on-one pa about single parent you'd be see her say na you and mama ba Facebook ni na yentimi an kai more comments no near na the be kan say ayi aseda mo nyina de mo kan nyina kire say multi program no mo so ma share amana yefe yedama say yedum be see her say na the pe kan say munya bia mon kai fie ofie eni fie Ghana ba kope adeshman Ghana ba kope yeni Ghana ni bi obabia so what is obi ka Ghana na ochia na ka Ghana no eye o mindful fro e wo Caribbean side ho baby iti yesre Ghana for mo amonya bi no kai wunua said the yenia ba ka chire ado ene ye wo fa sam adofo akambo mo mabe ene GIZ eso aba abibie job center ewa ha omoye Ghanaian German Center in a collaboration with this Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations akambo mo omo eboa yenuanom enketwa ene na de meka twato no se yenuanom mo Germany munsua kasa no na de biom de ba om pepesi mu sika bebre na aban na twa ama eye Ghana fo amwo ho so mbetimanya se scan dia bafie na munhu na makabi wa no ye doctor we hwan we nurse we say betima bafie abeboa na wo ba voluntary no omo betima twa ticket no mama ebia extra money bi na wo dia ba betra ha say na wo be 6 months na betima say den akobak eti dia kan ni na ne say ofie eni fie yeda mo nyina ma say bibu nya de no